coding with agents and you felt this whiplash, sometimes it's magic and sometimes it's chaos, Cursor just published a post that basically explains why. Their core argument is that agents aren't just autocomplete, they can run for long stretches, touch many files, refactor across a code base, and keep iterating until tests pass. But the quality you get depends less on the model and more on how you run the agent. They introduced a concept most people ignore, the agent harness. Then agent is three things working together: your instructions, the tools it can use, and your follow-up messages. And Cursor turns that harness differentially for different frontier models because models behave differently under the same prompt. That's a big deal because it reframes the problem. If an agent performs badly, it's often not the model is dumb. It's the harness and the workflow are wrong. Then they give the single best habit you can adopt. Start with a plan before you let the agent write code. Cursor even has a plan mode, and they argue planning forces clarity, what you're building, what done means, and what the verifiable checkpoints are. They cite research that experienced developers plan more before generating code, and that's true. Agents don't magically know if they're right. They need what Cursor calls verifiable goals by senior developer. In plain terms, the agent has to be able to check its own work. Typed languages, linters, tests, clear failure signals, those are not engineering hygiene anymore. They're how you keep an agent from confidently shipping nonsense. They also frame your role differently. You're not delegating to a junior development you never review. You are managing a highly capable collaborator. Ask for the plan, ask for explanations, push back on approaches you don't like, because the agent will keep going in the direction you tolerate. The competitive edge in agentic coding won't be who has access to the best model. It will be who has the best operating system for shipping reliable changes. Planning, eval-like checkpoints, and verifiable goals are becoming product infrastructure. So if you're building with agents, the model is the engine, but the harness is the car. And customers don't buy engines. They buy a whole vehicle that gets them there consistently.